Manipur police sets up special anti-extortion cell to monitor unprecedented rise of monetary demands by various groups amid Manipur crisis, informs IGP Intelligence Kabib K. Family, along with local residents, urge authorities concerned to find out whereabouts of 17-year-old missing teen from Khulakpat. And family, along with local residents, forms Joint Action Committee demanding authorities to find out whereabouts of abducted men from Thobal. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam, giving you the news in detail. Taking serious note of the increasing extortion activities in the strife-torn state, the Manipur police have constituted an anti-extortion cell headed by the Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order. All Zonal Deputy Inspector Generals of Police DIGs are members of this cell, which is tasked with monitoring and supervising the anti-extortion drive. Announcing it before the media today at the conference hall of SP Imphal West office, Inspector General of Intelligence Kabib K informed that the anti-extortion cell was constituted following numerous complaints from the general public, educational institutions and government staff regarding the rise in extortion since the May 3rd incident last year. He informed as part of the anti-extortion drive, the Manipur police, divided into 15 teams, have arrested as many as 121 extortionists, including members of underground groups and gangs. In addition, over 250 individuals who were indirectly involved in extortion have also been arrested, and all the extortionists were apprehended following complaints made by the public. Concerning the safety of national highway commuters and transporters, particularly those transporting essential commodities, the IG informed that 16 companies of the Central Reserve Police Force have been deployed at strategic locations along Manipur's national highways. Additionally, 2 companies of CRPF have been assigned to escort the transporters along these highways. He maintained that several locations in Imphal have been identified as hotspots for extortion, and the Manipur police are intensifying their efforts by increasing frisking and checking activities in these areas to apprehend the extortionists. The IGP further appealed to the public not to encourage moral policing, as many of these cases have been found to be involved in extortion activities as well.
In the last 1 year,
family and residents of Khulakpat under Kumbi police station have urged the authorities concerned to find out the whereabouts of 17-year-old Ngangom Srinivas, who went missing on 8 October. According to the family, they lost contact with Srinivas saying he went to Kumbi College to collect a phone. Family members and residents of Khulakpat staged a sit-in at the residence of Srinivas in presence of Borayangbi Gram Panchayat, Upper Uppradhan S. Mani. Speaking during the sit-in, mother of Srinivas, NG Babita, said her son has been missing since he left home to collect admission form for BA first semester at Kumbi College. She lamented, saying that the police has failed to find out the whereabouts of her son. On the other hand, Uppradhan S. Mani expressed discontentment over the failure of police in finding the missing boy, who is a resident of Khulakpat Awang Laikai that is located in close proximity to a red zone. He further stated that the bereaved parents had been doing PT jobs to make ends meet and ensure proper education for their son. while seeking all possible help from the civil bodies, as Mani urged the police department and the state government to put all-out efforts to find Srinivas at the earliest.
Imagi naktala isana thandane imana pukchabada na thakdama laibanate na gadama laibanate imana nangbu nami thayengum yengjabane imana nangbu from lokjoy bungo bijidadi loithona haibado nang garai da chaliba sumna gi lupa chahum katani aina pigi bado ma khutta chahum duna nang garai ta na chaliba ngasi babu nangi langa langi lamata jo ai bi rakte kana gumban na jo ai bi rakte police da jo akalure ngasi babu kari mata ai bi rakte imagi bunga nangu garai da laibage laibagi na naga patta banne yaragadi lamdam sida laibiriba subin society organization punamagna Manipur Sarkar na chok na miyeng changbiduna ichajibu thibada mateng pangbiu haina mama oibi oina hajari
hariba angang ngasi phawde ikun khangdaba si sarkar gi mageida ikoina hariba kumbi police station sida ikun paw pijare adubu ngasi phawda hariba langnala gi ikoina phangba ngamdri ba manipur da leiba luk khudingmak amadi ma event mara paibi sing sierso kangbo sing hariba leiba ikogi lupsing sina mateng pangbiduna angang asi thiba sida mateng pangbiu aduga athuba matamda sarkar gi mageida su hariba angang ase athuba matamda kangan bidana bagi damak aduga thiba sida kanba akanba mawongda ikogi hariba angang asi phangnana bada hona biyo.
Family and residents of Thawal Awang Laikai, Sanjembam Leirak form a joint action committee demanding safe release of Akoijam Angau, who was abducted by unknown persons at Uripok on September 30th. According to reports, Akoijam Angau of Thawal Awang Laikai, Sanjembam Leirak, had gone to pick up his child from a tuition center at Uripok when the incident happened. The JSC has caution of intense agitation if the authorities fail to find out the whereabouts of Akoijam Angau by 16 October.
Chiri Akoijam Angau sibu phangnaba thinaba gidama khoi JSC ama khoi semjare JSC khoi ngasi tang 10 ga nithoi tha 10 aduga 2024 sida semba hauwa ngasi tarangdu ni suba mangi bnmise aduna khoina atopa nimi mangani amaga khoina matam thajari hairiba nimi mangani sigi manungda mari lena punamakna mabu kana gumba organization singna phajan bunjan biba leiragasu magi maran karino tek kaidani imung manungi amadi likai gi punamaki oina yengbiraga minungsiga loinana mabu thadok piraknaba khoi appeal tawjari loinana masiba da mangre haina khoi mising report su thajaraba paper da kayara phongjaraga su manipur lengak ti maikai digi sini haibusu khoi karigumba paw amwa khoi da phangbangamde maramaduna ngasidi khoi je si sema banina makhata ba khongjang mabu phangnaba thinaba gidama khoi akanba khongjang miyang loinana khoi changsanna bigidam da je sina ngasidi khoi sem sare.
Mayra Paibi Apunbalup Andro today organized a sit-in protest demanding price reduction of essential items and immediate cessation of unbearable monetary demands by various groups. As many as 250 women took part in the protest at Andro Mamang Laikai Market Shade. Protesters underscored the need to put an end to the vicious trend of extorting money from various business owners, including shopkeepers, pharmacists, vegetable vendors, authorities of schools, colleges, hospitals, private banks, and auto rickshaws, among others. Protesters held placards reading "Control Price Hike in Manipur," "Maintain Rule of Law in Manipur," "Stop Threat to Civilians," "Stop Creating Fear Among People," "Free Movement on National Highways for All," and "Ensure Safety of Children and Civilians," among others. Those who spoke during the sit-in protest cautioned of intense form of agitation if the authorities concerned failed to fulfill the demands immediately.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 3ꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯐꯝ ꯅꯣꯝꯐꯝ ꯆꯠꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯐꯝ ꯅꯣꯝꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Differently able Soibam Birla Devi, a state awardee from Laifam Kuno, Mamang Laikai, called on Governor of Manipur, Lakshman Prasad Acharya today. Governor encouraged her work and congratulated for her achievement. Representatives of Ad hoc Committee of all Manipur elected PRIs of 2017 also met Governor of Manipur Lakshman Prasad Acharya this evening at Raj Bhavan in Imphal. The representatives, while submitting a memorandum to the governor, apprised the latter about the prevailing status of PRIs in the state. Former MP Dr. Thokchom Maina also called on the governor at Raj Bhavan in Imphal today. Since the recent outbreak of dengue in Manipur this year, as many as 4 individuals in the state have reportedly succumbed to dengue, while the state has detected as many as 1,311 dengue-positive cases since January to October 9, as per a report submitted to the State Health Department by the State Malaria Officer under the National Vector-Borne Diseases Control Program. As per the report, Imphal West reported the highest positive rate with 918 cases. Imphal East has reported 268 cases, Bishnupur 43, Chandel 4, Kangpokpi 5, Senapati 3, Tamenglong 2, None 3, Thobal 41, Kakching 20, Ukhrul 3 and Kamjong 1. Although 1,311 dengue cases have been detected so far this year, it is still lower than last year's figure of 2,548. As the preventive measures fogging program has been conducted in local levels by the authorities in collaboration with the local clubs and NGOs, particularly in Imphal West, which is reported as the worst affected district. In a crackdown on insurgency-related extortion activities, the Manipur police arrested an active member of the proscribed group Kangleipak Communist Party (KCP) Lamyan Bakhuman yesterday. The individual, identified as Leifrakpam Jenison Singh alias Punil, is a 42-year-old resident of Nagamapal, Kangjabi Leirak of Imphal West District. The arrest took place on Friday at MG Avenue, Imphal West District, following a series of coordinated efforts by the police to curtail ongoing extortion activities in the city. As per police report, the arrested individuals has been actively involved in extorting money from multiple shops and businesses in and around Imphal, creating fear and disruption in the area. Further investigations are ongoing and the police are underway to make more arrests in connection with such extortion cases. The death of an Indian Reserve Battalion IRB trainee from Manipur at the police training center in Assam has ignited widespread anger and demands for a thorough investigation. Yelam Suvash Chandra, a native of Nambol, Khajiri, Maning Laikai in Bishnupur district, died on October 6 at the Dergawan Police Training Center in Golaghat under circumstances that have raised serious concerns among his family, friends, and the broader community. A Joint Action Committee JAC formed following the incident has issued a stern ultimatum to the state government demanding a magisterial or judicial inquiry into the incident ex gratia compensation for Subhash Chandra's family, a suitable job for his wife, and the relocation of IRB training to the Manipur Police Training College in Imphal East District. If these demands are not met by October 15, the JSC has vowed to launch various forms of agitation, including blocking the Tidim Road from 5 a.m. on October 16. The JSC alleged that Subhash Chandra's death was a direct result of negligence on the part of the training center authorities in Assam. They claimed that despite repeated requests for medical attention, necessary steps were not taken in a timely manner, leading to the tragic outcome. The incident has sparked widespread protests and demonstrations in Manipur, with hundreds of people gathering to express their grief and demand justice for Subhash Chandra. As part of the nationwide special campaign 4.0 aimed at institutionalizing Swachhta, cleanliness and reducing pendency, cleanliness activities and disposal of redundant items were organized at the College of Nursing, Dental College and Clinical Psychology RIMS in Imphal today. During the event, RIMS Nursing College Principal Professor H. Jamuna Devi emphasized the importance of cleanliness for maintaining good health. She highlighted that the cleanliness program aligns with the objectives of Special Campaign 4.0, stressing that it is very important to stay neat and clean if we wish to stay healthy. In light of the ongoing dengue outbreak, Professor Jamuna Devi underlined the need for keeping the environment clean, noting that a dirty environment can lead to numerous health issues. She remarked, cleanliness is not just a personal responsibility, but a collective one, especially as the people of Manipur are facing the dengue challenge. Nodal Officer of Special Campaign 4.0, Professor Y. Govindaraj Singh, also inspected the sites today. The program witnessed active participation from the staff of the College of Nursing, Dental College and staff of Clinical Psychology RIMS, Imphal, as well as students and staff from Crete, Imphal.
Ngasi akoigi kano tawone RIMS ki special campaign 4.0 akoigi cleanliness ki program oina akoigi RIMS College of Nursing na ngasi social service cleanliness program che ko pangthok chabani tasengna mahargadi lu nan bai basi amaru oi aduna tasengna koina hakchang phana legi haragadi as a part of the kanogi health ki Ministry of the Health Government of India under the Prime Minister Gesugumba Sasta began program ni makada part amona kasi special campaign 4.0 rimsna sinjabasi da koi susharu yajabani aduna tasengna hojik si yamaru oba port amani hojik dengue gi prevalence Manipur da yam high oire adagi atopa kangna sikba leina kari kari ama akone environment is a part of the health environment is luna na thamdraga di masi akone maintain tokda di masi mari leina ba leina kaya mam so koi da tholok pa yai aduga mari leina na sigi environment cleanliness plus akoi gi manung da leiba akoi gi leiba amoda kai leitana ba amoda kai de thokpa leina kaya maru mama nga thokna na ba adu mathakta haksang phana office da su working area da su and wherever akoi gi health se phajana maintain tongna na bai damakta koina cleanliness service yamna maru e habisi khanjaraga. Today we are also observing and taking participation actively in this cleanliness program under the special campaign 4.0 RIMS.
The three-day 27th annual conference of the Association of Surgeons of India, ASI, Manipur State chapter is being held at Caesar Academy of Health Sciences, SAHS, Imphal. The conference that began on 11th October is scheduled to be concluded tomorrow. The event is being attended by renowned surgeons from across India for discussions, presentations, and workshops focused on enhancing surgical excellence. It was organized under the leadership of Dr. N. Somojit Singh as the organizing chairman, Dr. Devendra Khairakpam as the organizing secretary and Dr. Chandragupta Chongtham as the co-organizing secretary. The inaugural ceremony was graced by prominent dignitaries, including Director of Health Services, Dr. Osanahanbi Devi, as chief guest, Chairman and Managing Director of Caesar Hospitals and Research Institute, and Caesar Academy of Health Sciences, Dr. K.H. Palin, attended as guest of honor. Treasurer of ASI Headquarters, Dr. Vanwar Lal Yadav, was also present as a special guest of honor, and Chairman of ASI Manipur State Chapter, Dr. Jugindra Sorokhaibam, presided over the event. Delegates from across India participated in the conference, including senior consultant at Nazareth Hospital, Shillong, Dr. Jayanta Kumar Das, and Dr. Suraja NV from Saroja Hospital, Trichur. The pre-conference workshop featured live surgery broadcast from Caesar Hospital's OT complex to the SAHS auditorium, showcasing real-time surgical techniques. The conference also included poster presentations by postgraduate and DNB students from Manipur's medical institutions, oral presentations, and a panel discussion. The Pangal Students Organization PSO Manipur marked its 16th anniversary today with a Foundation Day celebration at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa. The event witnessed the presence of Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa Principal Wangkhem Rameswar Singh, All Manipur United Clubs Organization President P.H. Nando Luang, Manipur Students Federation President Hijam Roshan, PSO, Manipur President Farid Bogimayum, All Meitei Pangal Clubs Organization Working President Y.M. Hayatur Rahman, NEFSA Education Consultancy Chairman S.R. Khan, PSO Manipur Advisors Ajijur Pukrimayum, and B.M. Jishan, among other key figures in the education and student advocacy sectors. PSO Manipur President Farid Bogimayum, while delivering his speech, extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur. He voiced concerns regarding the ongoing challenges within the state's education system, attributing the lack of positive change to the negligence of both the state government and the education department. Bogimayum highlighted the detrimental impact of recognizing and registering private schools in proximity to government institutions, which he claimed has contributed to the decline of government schools.
Pangal Students Organization PSO Manipur na ahanbada maruoina education haibse mang tharaga adubak maruoiba thabak oina lokhat lai ba thabak singsida maruoina ngasi PSO amadi tongan hairoi lup kayana Manipur da education ahom am purakanen hona matam da ngasi phawda ahom du koi u phangde masigi achaw maram amadi ngasi pali ba lengak amadi education department na masida ning sangsin daba amadi thau masak khangna thabuk tawdabgi ni haibdo PSO na thamjari ngasi lengak ki school ga hek thangna nakna lai mafam da private school ki registration recognition pisilla kanda lenga ke school sing no gi mut tharang na bagi masa ka maduma ko helle aduga ngasi lenga ke school sing da oza gi oza wat bagi samasya ma aduma ngasi dagi lisang sipna la ko sina masigi sop to gi mijaram bu ngasi gi education department na modi lenga ng lokot bagi mamita de masi lamdam sigi education da chauba chaikhiang am oibe tana tungi la ka do generation sin da laibak thibani ha se PSO gi mekai de ke thamjage.
The Anal Lenruwal Tangpi General Headquarters ALT GHQ today organized a free medical camp in Green Hills area of Chandel district in collaboration with the Anal Naga Medicals Association. Over 100 villagers from the area were treated and provided with free medicines. The free medical camp was organized as part of the ALT GHQ and Anal Naga Medicals Association's aim to reach out to the far-flung Anal Naga villages in the hills that do not have easy access to medical and health facilities. While this was the first phase of the camp, the second phase will be held on November 2, 2024 at Larong Kulen in Sulam area. The camp in the area comprising 5 villages was held at 3 villages, namely Oklu, Anal Kulen and Lampo Charu. During the camp, 6 doctors, a dentist, 2 nurses, Angalwadi and Asha workers played a major role in checking the villagers, who were also provided with free medicines. A portable ultrasound machine was also used during the camp to provide free checkup to those who needed the facilities. ALT GHQ President BD Ningwar said that the camp was vital and of utmost importance, especially in these times when people in far-flung areas do not have easy access to medicines and medical facilities. Moreover, these are the times when malaria, dengue, and other sicknesses are on the rise, and hence it was important that to reach out to them. Chief of Oklu Vobu village, HB Livingston, thanked the ALTGHQ and Anal Medicals for reaching out to the area with such facilities. With the harvest season here, people are busy in the fields, and it feels great to see doctors coming to the area and providing such facilities. Many of the villagers who attended the camp expressed their heartfelt gratitude to the ALT and the Anal Medicals for the facilities. UNICEF and IIT Kanpur Oil India Limited, under the supervision of Kisan Congress Manipur Chairman L. Nando and former MP Dr. T. Maina, jointly distributed school bags to the students of Maning Laikai ST Angalwadi Center today. Kisan Congress Manipur Chairman L. Nando and Konthaujam Block Congress Committee President Kalenjao Kabui handed over foldable school bags to the students during the Helping Hand visit. Speaking on the occasion, El Nando said the initiative was taken up to encourage government school and Angalwadi students. He further informed that such bags will be distributed to students of other government schools and Angalwadi centers in Konthaujam Assembly constituency as part of the initiative.
ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯊꯧꯖꯝ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯪꯒꯟꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯊꯧꯖꯝ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯤꯁꯥꯟ ꯆꯤꯌꯥꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯀ ABPCꯒ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯒ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯕ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯕ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯒꯅꯤ.
Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching IS News.
Humputere chuba irengbam saurengi mapok numit ningsing thorum gamari leinana iramdamgi thakta mahiroi singi wareng ibagi athoi ahen tanabama lakliba October gi tang kungi ayuk pung 13 dagi numit yung matung pung ama phawba Wakaithel laiba Ratan Kumar Memorial English School amasung Pitambara English School da pangthok sargani.
Irengbam Chauren Memorial Trust na ahan boina sinjariba wareng iba changdamnaba asigi hiramna responsibility of the indigenous people to preserve the integrity of Manipur. Haibadi Manipur gi apunba saktam ngakpada yelhomi singna lawbadaba thaudang haibasini. Changdamnaba asi English amasung Manipuri lon anigi manungda mahiroi singna apamba khanduna iba yagani. Manipuri lon gi oinadi mitei mayek natraga Bengali mayekta ibasu yagani.
Manipur gi apunba saktam bu kahendana ngaktuna thamngamgadaba Manipuri iraisha amamam ohinna bahonabagi panamda pangthok sagadoriba wareng ibagi athoi ahen tanaba shi category ani thokna khaidok sagani. Ahanbada class 8 dagi 10 phawagi ama anisubadana class 11 dagi masigi mathakta laiba mahiroi singi ama mamangda rules and regulation number 1 da thamkiba wapam singdugi mathakta university amadagi pass torklaba mahiroi sing sangdamnaba asida saruk yaba yagani haiba ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯟꯖꯔꯦ꯫
Iramdam Iraipaku Nungsijaba, Amadi Iraipakidamata Hingba ngamnanabagi wakhalonda, Sinjariba Sangdamnaba Sida, Iramdam Sida Laibiriba, Mahiroi Singh, Hurup Kanglup Kudingmakna Saruk Yabiduna, Mapung Pahan Biu Haiduna, Sinja Langjariba, Irengbam Chauren Memorial Trust ki Maikaidagi, Laibak Miyamda, Nolukna, Paujenjari.
Phom Phangpham, Kwakaithal Akham Laikai Delaiba, All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko Amasung, Kwakaithal Thongnawjum Laikai Delaiba, Manipuri Students Federation MSF ki office sing.
Welcome back. You're watching IS Primetime English News. Film Forum Manipur has informed all constituent associations and guilds of the forum that young film students of Manipur from any recognized film institute are invited to apply for participation in the prestigious 55th International Film Festival of India, IFFI, scheduled to be held in Goa from 20th to 28th November 2024. The forum, in a press release, further stated that the invitation was in reference to the letter received from the Manipur State Film and Television Institute (MSFTT), which extends the opportunity for film students to participate in this significant event. Young film students of Manipur from any recognized film institute who are interested in participating have been requested to submit their applications along with full documents of proof. Therefore, all constituent members of Film Forum Manipur have been requested to submit their recommendations to the office on or before 16 October 2024 by 1 p.m. The recommendations will be forwarded to the Manipur State Film and Television Institute for further final processing. Over 13.57 lakh crore rupees has been collected by the Income Tax Department for the financial year 2024-25 so far. The collection includes personal income tax of over 7 lakh crore rupees and corporate tax of over 6 lakh crore rupees. The department has also issued refunds of over 2.31 lakh crore rupees till yesterday. As per report from the Income Tax Department, the net direct tax collection has recorded a significant growth of over 18%, amounting to over 11.25 lakh crore rupees. Under the theme Informed Choices, Better Outcomes, the World Arthritis Day is being observed today across the globe with a focus on raising awareness about rheumatic musculoskeletal disorders and their prevention. This year's theme emphasizes the importance of understanding these conditions for better health management. In an interview, AIIMS Rheumatology head Dr. Uma Kumar stressed the significance of early identification of arthritis to ensure appropriate treatment. The doctor cautioned against self-diagnosis based on information from social media, which can often be misleading. She also highlighted key risk factors for arthritis, including smoking and obesity, and discussed the variety of treatment options available. She urged the public to seek professional medical advice for accurate diagnosis and management of arthritis-related conditions, highlighting the importance of informed decision-making in achieving better health outcomes. In an anti-drug operation, Mizoram Police and Assam Rifles have seized as many as 10,000 methamphetamine tablets valued at approximately 3 crore rupees in Luangtlai district of Mizoram. The operation also resulted in the arrest of 2 individuals suspected of being involved in drug trafficking. The seized contraband, along with the arrested suspects, has been handed over to Buangtlang Police Station for further investigation. Police reports stated that authorities are currently pursuing legal proceedings as part of their ongoing efforts to combat drug smuggling in the region. The swearing-in ceremony of the new BJP government in Haryana will be held on 17 October in Panchkula, the party said in a statement today. It said Prime Minister Narendra Modi, senior BJP leaders, and chief ministers of some other states will attend the event. Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said they have got the note of the Prime Minister, and on 17 October, the oath-taking ceremony of the Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers will take place in Panchkula. The ceremony will be held at the Dussehra ground in Panchkula, Sector 5 at 10 a.m. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, unable to travel to Sikkim's Seranthang due to weather conditions at Bagdogra Airport, successfully inaugurated 75 vital infrastructure projects from the Sukna military base today. These projects aim at enhancing national security and improving border connectivity were scheduled to be unveiled near the Indo-Tibet border. The Defence Minister has been stationed at Sukna since landing in Bagdogra on Friday, facing travel delays for a second consecutive day. Despite his absence in person, the virtual inauguration was attended by Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tabang, Lok Sabha MP Indra Hang Suba, and other cabinet ministers who made their way to Seranthang for the ceremony. The virtual event also saw participation from several governors, including those of Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mizoram, as well as Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu and others, highlighting the significance of these projects for the northeastern region. The initiatives are expected to significantly bolster infrastructure along the border, enhancing security measures and connectivity in the strategically important area. Before we end, the headlines once again. Manipur police sets up special anti-extortion cell to monitor unprecedented rise of monetary demands by various groups amid Manipur crisis, informs IGP Intelligence Kabib K. Family, along with local residents, urge authorities concerned to find out whereabouts of 17-year-old missing teen from Khulakpat. And family, along with local residents, forms Joint Action Committee demanding authorities to find out whereabouts of abducted men from Thobal. That's all we have in this bulletin. Next we have IS Primetime Manipuri News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.